If you're seeing this video, you're probably aware of the fact that trauma is one of the root causes of many of the mental health problems we are facing today. In fact, research from the University of Liverpool has found that traumatic life events are the single biggest cause of anxiety and depression. As a culture, our awareness of trauma is growing, and we're gradually becoming a more trauma-informed society. Yet our ability to actually do something about it is as static as ever. There have been many calls for a holistic approach to trauma treatment, one that accounts for the whole person, mind, brain, body and spirit. And there are numerous pioneering approaches out there, such as internal family systems, polyvagal theory, somatic experiencing, and others that are paving the way for a new generation of trauma-informed practitioners. But until now, there hasn't been a unifying framework that brings all of these methods together. So we decided to develop a new program called the Holistic Trauma Course, which aims to provide mental health professionals with a holistic, multidisciplinary approach for healing trauma. With a total of 10 modules ranging from compassion-focused therapy to sensory motor psychotherapy to EMDR, this course has the potential to transform your approach to trauma treatment and bring you up to speed with the latest cutting-edge developments in the field. Better still, you'll be taught by some of the world's leading pioneers, people like Richard Schwartz, Deb Dana, Robin Walser, and 7 others. The program has been structured in an affordable way, meaning you can give it a try for as little as £49, and it comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk from your part in participating. If you're interested in learning more about what's included, please click the Learn More button or the links below the video for more information.